Have you ever been in a financial pinch and needed a quick loan to get you through? If so, you're not alone. Many people turn to personal loans to help them cover unexpected expenses or consolidate debt. But how long does it take to get a personal loan? In this video, we'll take a look at how long it takes to get a personal loan from SoFi. We'll also discuss the factors that can affect the approval process. SoFi is a personal finance company that offers a variety of financial products, including personal loans. SoFi personal loans are available to borrowers with a credit score of 670 or higher. The minimum loan amount is $5,000 and the maximum loan amount is $100,000. How long does it take to get a personal loan from SoFi? The time it takes to get a personal loan from SoFi varies depending on a number of factors, including your credit score, income, and the amount of the loan. However, the average time is 3 to 5 business days. Factors that can affect the approval process. Credit score. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for a personal loan. Income. The higher your income, the more likely you are to be approved for a personal loan. Amount of the loan. The larger the loan amount, the longer it may take to get approved. Type of loan. Secured loans typically take longer to get approved than unsecured loans. Time of application. If you apply for a loan on a weekend or holiday, it may take longer to get approved. Tips for getting your personal loan approved quickly. Check your credit score before you apply. This will help you understand your chances of approval and give you a chance to improve your score if necessary. Gather all of your financial documents. This will help you speed up the application process. Apply online. This is the fastest way to apply for a personal loan. Be patient. The approval process can take some time, so be patient and don't give up. Getting a personal loan from SoFi can be a quick and easy way to get the money you need. However, it's important to understand the factors that can affect the approval process. By following the tips in this video, you can increase your chances of getting approved quickly. If you're considering applying for a personal loan from SoFi, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. They can answer any questions you have and help you get started with the application process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.